So here we must be very careful. What is the total amount? How much installment you has to pay? How much interest you have to pay every year? PV factor is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. When you say installment, it includes the interest, principal plus interest. So the issue is the 14% raise, that is as a discount factor I have taken. The interest itself is a discount factor. Don't calculate the interest. Whatever the difference comes, you call as an interest. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 3, Session 2 of BCom in favor of working capital financing. In the last session, we discussed one problem on leasing. Today, we are going to have one more problem on leasing. So, last time I have gone through very detailedly about the leasing is concerned. Today, I am going to have one more problem on leasing. We'll move on to problem now. PQR Limited require a plant which following the two options are available. The plant can be acquired on lease basis on payment of annual rental value rupees 80,000 per annum for 5 years. Every year they are going to pay how much money? 80,000 per annum. Every year 80,000 they are okay. The plant is available at rupees 5 lakh for which funds can be raised by the issue of 14% loan. The loan is to be repaid with interest in 5 equal installment. The depreciation is provided on straight line basis and tax rate applicable is 40%, which is a better option. So first is how much is the first point to be bear in mind here now. First point to be bear in mind now, how much installment money is going to pay. Installment money, they are not given. Payment annual rental value is given. Installment is not given. Installment what's the total value? 5 lakh divided by PV factor. So, PV factor is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. What is the percentage? 14% first year. 1 divided by 1.14 to the power of first year. So, 1 divided by 1.14, 0.877. 0.877. This is first year. For second year, 0.769. 769. Third year, 0.675. Fourth year, 0.592. Fifth year, 0.519. So how to calculate? I will tell you. So the formula is 1 plus r to the power of n. What is the percentage you have got? 14% has been taken as a discount factor. 14% to the power of m. Same interest rate we have taken. 1 divided by 1.14 to the power of n. So first year will come if you divide 0.87. Means if you got 1 rupee, today is valuing how much? 87 paisa. You take the calculator and put the equals. It will go on like this. If you put the equal, so second year how much? 769. Third year 675. Fourth year 0.592. Fifth year 519. Add the figure. First year 0.877 plus 0.769 plus 0.675 plus 0.592 plus 0.519. 3.432. So total PV factor is 3.432. That is called to 5 lakh divided by 3.432. So 5 lakh divided by 3.432. So 1 lakh 45,000, 1 lakh 45,688 every installment. 1,45,688 he has to pay every installment. This is the procedure of doing installment. That means 5 lakh divided by PV factor. Every installment you have to pay how much money? 1,45,000. I took so the issue is the 14% raise, that is as a discount factor I have taken. The interest itself is a discount factor. 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. 1 divided by 1.4 to the power of n. First I divide. Then I use the calculator, put the equals for how many years? 5 years. 5 years, your PV factor 3.43T. Every year he has to pay how much? 1,45,688. This is the first step to do. Then you have to do the depreciation, computation of depreciation. What is the total value? 5 lakh, which can be raised by the issue of 14%. The loan is to be repaid with the interest by equal installment. The depreciation is provided on straight line basis. Depreciation on straight line basis. What's the formula? Cost minus scrap divided by life. What's your cost price? 5 lakh. Scrap is 0. How many years? 5 years. Per year how much? 1 lakh rupees. This goes to depreciation. So 5 lakh. Then once you find out this, so every year how much depreciation will go? 1 lakh will go. Then we'll move on. So here we must be very careful. What is the total amount? How much installment he has to pay? How much interest you have to pay every year? First, slowly we can go. What is your loan amount? 5 lakh. Every installment, how much he pays? 1,45,688, which includes the 1,45,688. When you say installment, it includes the interest, principal plus interest. Principal plus interest is called installment. You calculate the interest 14% on 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 14 divided by 100, 70,000. So installment includes the interest, deduct 1,45,688 minus 70,000. Actually, he paid 75,688. So for 5 lakh rupees, what is the actual amount paid? 75,688. 5 lakh minus 75,688. 4,24,312 still balance. Here loan amount 4,24,312. Installment 1,45,688. Interest on this amount 4,24,312 into 14 divided by 100. 4,24,312 into 14 divided by 100. So 59,403. That is the interest, which includes 1,45,688 minus 59,403, 87,285, So deduct 4 lakh 24,312 minus 87,285, 3 lakh 37,027. Third year balance 3 lakh 27,027. Your installment is 1 lakh 45,688. Now, interest on this 3 lakh 27,027 into 14 divided by 100, 47,183. Deduct 1 lakh 45,688 minus 47,183, 98,505. Deduct 1 lakh. Deduct how much you have to pay? 3 lakh 37,027 minus 98,505. I will explain you. 2 lakh 38,522. I will explain you. Students, I will explain you detailedly. Slowly I will explain you. What's the balance left over? 2 lakh 38,522. Your installment is 1 lakh 45,688. So on this money, 2 lakh 38,522 into 14 divided by 100, 33,393 is the interest. 1 lakh 45,688 minus 33,393, 1 lakh 12,295. Deduct 2 lakh 38,522 minus 1 lakh 12,295. So 1 lakh 26,227. Last year he has to clear the loan now. What's the amount left over? 1 lakh 26,227. He will pay the principal money, same amount, 1 lakh 26,227. What's the installment he has to pay? 1 lakh 45,688. Whatever the difference comes, that may be more or less, he has to pay. 1 lakh 45,688 minus 1 lakh 26,227, 19,461 is interest he paid. So here, so 5 lakh installment is 1 lakh 45,688. 14% of this is 70,000. If we deduct now 75,688 from this figure, we have to deduct balance is 4,24,312 on 4,24,302. You have to calculate the 14% here, 1,45,000 deduct from this figure. Deduct this will be. So in the last installment, you have to pay 1,27,227. What is your installment? 1,05,000. You will clear off the principal money. Whatever the difference comes, that's the interest. I will calculate once again. 1,45,688 minus 1,26,227, 19,461. This is interest. Hope you understand this point. You must be very careful, you have to do. Now, this is your cash outflows. Here, loan balance. This is your cash outflows has gone. Whatever the discount here, you have to pay so much money. So how much loan you have it? You are paying the so much loan. So much you are going to pay. Then how much you are going to save, you understand. Okay. So this is a 5 lakh amount. Every year, how much you pay? 1 lakh 45, 1 lakh 45, 688. Loan installment. What's the loan installment? 1 lakh 45,688 loan installment here. Here, no. Every year installment, how much you have to pay? So much money, loan installment. Loan installment, 1 lakh 45. So interest at 40% here, no. Calculation of after tax cash outflows here. Okay. So find out what's your first year interest? 70,000 on that 40%. 70,000 into 40 divided by 100. We have saved 28,000. 28,000. So depreciation is 1 lakh. On that 40% means 40,000. What's the total is saved? 68,000. So 1 lakh 45 minus 68. 1,45,688 minus 68,000. 77,688. Your discount factor in the first year, we already calculated. See that? What is the first year? 0.877. 0.877 first year. Multiply cash outflow 77,688 into 0.877, 68,132. Second year, 1,45,688. So 40% of second year interest, 59,403, 59,403 into 40 divided by 100, 23,761. 23,761. This is 40,000. On 1 lakh, 40% 40,000. So 63,761 total saved. So 1 lakh 45,688 minus 63,761, 81,927. 81,927. Discount factor 769. 0.769. 81,927 into 0.769. 63,001. 63,000. 1 rupee. Third year, 1,45,688. 40% of the interest. Third year, this over. 47,183. 47,183 into 40 divided by 100. 18,873. 18,873. 40,000 tax saved. 58,873. 40 plus 18 means 58,873. 58,873. How much he has to pay? 1,45,688 minus 58,873. 86,000 815 into discount factor of the third year, 0.675, 0.675, 86,815 into 0.675, 58,600. Fourth year, 1,45,688. So 40% of the fourth year interest, third year over, 33,393, 33,393 into 40 divided by 100. So 13,357, 13,357 plus 40,000, 53,357, deduct 1,45,688. You have to pay the installment. How much tax saved? 53,357, 92,331 into discount factor, fourth year, 0.592, 0.592, 92,331 into 0.592, 54,659, 54,659. Last year, 1,45,688 interest, last year interest. This is your 40,000 interest to this over 19,461, 19,461 into 40 divided by 100, 7784. Repeat, 19,461 into 40 divided by 100, 7784, 7784, 7784, 47,784, 1,45,688 minus 47,784, 97,904 into discount factor, 0.519, 0.519 into 0.519. So 50,812. So how we have done now? Your installment is 1,45,688. So tax saved here now, tax saving 40%. So 40% of interest is 28,000, 40% of 1 lakh is 40. Totally saved 68,000. How much you have to pay? 1 lakh 45, 68. How much to say? 68,000. Value 77,688. So here your discount factor is 0.877. If you deduct 68 part, DB factor at 14%. 68,132. Then once again 1 lakh. Second year, this is first year interest. Second year interest tax 40% saved. This is third year. This is fourth year, fifth year. Division remain constant. Add the figure So on that figure, this is for this, this is for this. So this is for 68,000. This is for this 53, 47,000. So totally this is for 40 plus 68, deduct 40, 63 here, no? 23 plus 40, 63, 18 means this 58, 873, 13 means 53,357, 40, 47,784. Okay, so this is what we get. Made the total cash outflows. Two lakh 95,204 cash outflows. Is it 92,331 into 0.592 54,659. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12 plus 2 14, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9 plus 1 10, 1 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 6 14, 8 22. So 68 132 plus 63,001 plus 58,600 plus 54,659 plus 58,112. 2,95,000 to outflow. So these are steps to be followed. I will come back once again, I will explain. Then lease rental, 1 to 5 years. Lease rental, how much is pays? See the rental. Lease rent is 80,000. We can 80,000. Calculation of lease rental. Tax saving 40% of this. 40% of this 80,000 into 40 divided by 100, 32,000. What is left over? 80,000 minus 32,000, 48,000. PV factor for 5 years. You already done 3 point PV factor 5 years. 3.432. 3.432 multiply 48,000 into 3.432. So 1,64,736 he pays. Tax cash outflows, lease rental. So this is as per rental value, how much he pays? As per rental value, lease rental rupees 1,64,736. Then buying option, first one, buying option, how much he pays? Buying option, this is cash flow under buying option, buying option. Buying option 2,95,204 2 lakh 95 204. So lease rent is less than buying option. Therefore, better to accept lease rental. I will explain first step. Depreciation on straight line method. In the last problem, depreciation was written down value method. 5 lakh divided by 1 is 1 lakh rupees to be paid. Then I calculated 14% as a discount factor. First year 0.87, 5 years 3.432. 5 lakh divided by 3.432. It works out 1,45,688. Then I calculate like this. Loan is 5 lakh. Installment is 45,000. 14% is 70,000. Deduct 75,680. He has to pay to 4,24,302. On 4,24,000 to 14% means 59,403. Deduct, it will come 87,285. From that, if we deduct, so these are all the outstanding balance. Last, we have to clear off. The loan amount is 1,26,000. Principal, you pay 1,20,000. Whatever the difference comes, you call this as a interest in the last year. Don't calculate the interest. Whatever the difference comes, you call as a interest. Then, loan installment is this. How much tax saving? 40% of the interest. 40% vision. Totally saved 68,000. You deduct 68, 77, 68. On the discount factor is 0.8777. Second year, 1,45,000. 40% is 23,768. 40, 63,768. It becomes 81,927. Deduct 0.769. So much will come. If we add one by one, if we just see that 1,45,688 minus 63,761 81. So everything is correct now. Totally he has to pay 2,95,204 under buying option. Then we'll go with a rental option. 1 to 5 years is 80,000. Tax saved is 40% is 32,000. How much he has to pay? 48,000. For 5 years, the PV factor is 3.432. If we multiply, it will come 1,64,766. Lease rent is this. Buying option is this. Lease rent is less than buying option. Better the rental value. Hope you understand that. I have gone through very slowly and also I calculated very slowly. Hope you understand. We'll have some more problem in the next session. Definite problem for 15 marks. This is a definite problem for 15 marks. I will have some more problems on the leasing method. We'll have it on in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.